Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go.
Chief, let's start. Then he's...
Got to start again.
That's okay. Let's start.
Okay, on your mark. Wait, what? Oh, okay. You fixed it? Are you, what are you fixing? Okay, fix the side as best you can. Okay? On your mark. Get set. Go. Cooper, you won because Cooper forgot his...
I can go flat now. Watch out! It's really all flat, see?
It's getting flat? Oh, well, it'll work.
And now it's just let me go. Go!
At least it's a way to cool off, right? On your mark. Get set. Go! What was that?
This is awesome.
Whoa! At least you can cool off a minute, right?
Where should I throw my gum?
In the where somebody isn't walking. Yeah, that's good.